Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays, guys, and how that can cost you quite a bit of money that you don't need to spend. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Malibu. We're talking specifically about that generation right here from year 2016 to year 2023 currently. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your mirror fuse is located. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have a Chevy Malibu, we're talking about that generation here from 2006 to all the way 2023, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay in that car. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you're trying to find where the engine starter fuse or fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, search, less than 1-2 minutes, you fix that problem, you're back on the road. Because sometimes in the menus it will not be cleared, it will not be mentioned, guys. If you need to buy, guys, okay, any parts, tools, fuses, anything for your Chevy Malibu at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now, here in the garage, guys, we constantly work on things, constantly working on new vehicles, guys. We do engine work, mechanical work, transmission work, body work, anything you can think of. So we're constantly adding new vehicles. So if you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now the mirror fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate here on this 2017, guys, Chevy Malibu. You guys have two different fuse boxes, by the way, in this car. It should work for the whole generation Chevy Malibu from 2016 to 2023. So of those two fuse boxes, we'll need the one that's under the hood. So open the hood. Okay, and facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box right here under that cover. So all you have to do, go ahead and remove that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that looks like this one. This is the same one, just a different angle. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here now we'll come to that angle so you can clearly see everything. Now, quick thing, guys, okay, you have 5-6 different kinds of fuses, 5-6 different kinds of relays that could be hard to find or expensive, so we'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. Here what we need to check, now the fuse for the mirrors will be in that row, and starting on top you have fuse number 7, 8. Fuse number 8, that 5 amp fuse, is the one that you will need to check for your mirrors, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.